Hi, welcome back to the Olivinator. Good morning, welcome back to the Olivinator 01, and today I'm going to show you my new car. It's a 2020 Honda Fit LX. It's one of the last Honda Fits ever made. They stopped making them after 2020, but this is my new car. I'm going to paint it blue later, but white's okay. Every time I look in the driveway, I think someone else is here, but I'm like, no, that's my car. All right, I figure I show it before I show any license plate numbers. Just before any of the license plate numbers come on there, just out of privacy reasons. And I'm gonna take a picture of the back and put it in a community post because the temporary license plate is on the back and I don't want to show that. All right, so this is the front. And why they stopped making Honda Fits, I really don't know. Here's the side. I'm gonna go to the other side because the temporary license plate number is there and I don't want to show that. Okay, here it is. Also, I'm trying to make this video quick because storage space. I'm gonna show you the inside. All right, here's the inside. Sorry, trying to get this stupid camera to focus. All right, these are the window. You roll down the window, up or down. Driver's seat, passenger seat, and back seats for all four doors. Lock, unlock, and lock. And there's the mirror adjusting, but I'm not gonna do that. There's the econ button, which I'm not sure what that does. And there's also I think this helps on slippery roads. There's the gas can opener. And that opens the hood. There's my brake pedal and gas pedal. Also, I need to change my mats because this is dangerous. A cup holder here. There's your lights, it's on auto. Blinkers, so I can take my turn, show where I'm turning. This has the lights on all the time when I'm using the car. And there's the gauges, where all the gauges are. My speedometer and odometer. And here's the steering wheel. There's buttons here. Source, right, left, volume up, volume down. The horn, which I'm not going to beep it because I'll disturb the neighbors. Phone button where I need to make a call or hang up, and voice command. And I think resistance set. I don't know what that does, but I might use it in the future. Not very much. And the cruise button. And back here is the wipers. There's wipers back here to clean the windshields. And at the console here, there's a power outlet. Also, the car power outlet right there in the back. And also a USB. There's no aux cable, so I'm got a converter off of Amazon for my MP3 player to plug into there. And there's your automatic shift, emergency brake, cup holders. In my 2009 Honda Fit, I used to have a thing that used to have a shoulder thing to lean on. I had a thing to lean on here, but now it's lower, which makes it a little inconvenient, but there's another outlet there, so that's good. Also, there's my AC, heater. This keeps the bad smells out. AC, heat, the fan, and what power it makes. And here's what I want it on. I could either have it by my feet, face and feet, or just my face. Bring it back here. And also here's my radio, my hazard lights, media, radio, for when I need to call or listen to music. And still there's a CD player. Also, it has a backup camera, which I never had before. Your power button, volume, push, and select, which is also on the steering wheel. Buttons for radio presets, previous, next, back, menu, clock, select, list. Sorry, I'm trying to be quick here. And also, here's the back seat. By the way, I gotta change these mats because it's dangerous to leave it like that. And here's the back. And there's a light here, which is good. Also, there's a rear view camera here. Right there is a rear view camera. So I could see where I'm going. Or at least, well, I look back too, but also it has a little key fob here. So I could just unlock it from there. Brakes are sensitive, which is good, and the gas pedal is a little sensitive, but still makes a smooth, sweet ride. I'm glad I got this car. I do miss my old car though, but this is gonna be a replacement and upgrade for it. This is probably the last Honda Fit I'll ever have in my life, because I stopped making them, unless I start making them again. Thinking about getting a Toyota after this one, which is years into the future. Which is years and years and years down the road, like 15 years or so. And yeah, I don't think I missed anything here. I'm just checking to make sure. Oh, and to adjust your steering wheel, you use this. There's the windshield cleaner and the wipers and the lights. Yeah, I think I showed just about everything in here. Also, there's another window opener for each door. You probably don't need to know that. And yeah. Video is almost 10 minutes long, but this is for the video of my new car. And a little bit later, I'm gonna switch out the mats and put my stuff in here. I'm also getting a new insurance. I have new insurance now, which is pretty expensive, by the way. And I'm a college student. Luckily, I'm home for the weekend. But I'll get to pay it off soon. I have all the money to pay it off right away. But I'm gonna be broke after this because college loans. All right, and that is my new car. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.